Welcome to my channel. I named it Smile to be Happy because smiling is the beginning of everything. So if you smile, if you wake up in the morning and smile to your face in the mirror, so your day will be good, believe me, because straight away you are awakening the good vibes around you and in the universe. I would like to talk to you about the effects of smiling in the future while I'm shooting, I'm filming, my next videos as well. But today I will start with something that I find very useful. That I pick for my face, because when I wake up in the morning I wash my face and the first thing I see is my face. So I would like to see a good face, a healthy skin, to help me to smile to my face at the beginning. So that's why I believe it's the start of everything. I love my skin, and I believe that we should all love our skin, because our skin is what they gave us when we were born, and it's not something that we can change it when we get bored, when it gets old, or when we don't like it anymore. So that's why we have to look after it. So that product that I'm going to introduce you today is one of them that I come across on my trip coming back from China. I think I purchased it in Hong Kong, and I didn't know that that brand, that company was in the market for other products as well. And yeah, that's been very interesting to come across. And when I purchased it, I didn't even have a good idea about how I'm gonna use it. So I said, okay, it is 200 pounds, so it should be something good. Skin gone really dry and unhealthy, and I had wrinkles, deep wrinkles on my face. So I said, oh my god, what is that? I wasn't happy with my skin at all. So I all of a sudden remembered the product I purchased, which was sitting in the cupboard. So in the morning, before I leave, I tried one mask on my face, and I said, oh my god, that works. It's amazing. It's amazing. Yes. So this is how I decided to share it with you, and I'm sure you will like it as well. So I hope you have the opportunity to buy it. Ta-ta! I purchased that one. So I want you to see very clearly. But how it works, it's with an app on your phone. So I need to open the app now to be able to use the product. And then I press the start button. Yeah, when you press the start button, you see there's a red light, and I will start using my device to go around my face. See, like that. And this is the red LED light with chemotherapy, and that's gonna open the pores on your face, and then and then it's gonna go inside your skin. The product go inside your skin, and now I have a vibration with the LED lights, which is T-Sonic. You need to go around your neck as well. You see, the vibration has changed now, and I have the green lights. And it started to actually reduce the heat as well. And this is that green lights helps you to have a brighter skin, so it says. And then the vibration changes again. So this is nearly end of the treatment, and don't forget to pass through all your face. And And yeah, it's nearly finishing. It's only 90 seconds. So isn't it amazing? It's only in 9 seconds you get a, you know, a mask applied to your face. Can you see that? Can you see my skin, you know, looks better?
You won't ever change your ways, doing what you do.
You can apply other mask sheets, you know, sheet mask on with the device, because that application allows you to use it manually as well. So yes, and because it stimulates the skin cells and, you know, opens the pore, so you get the benefit of the mask deeper in your skin, and when it is completed you really have a pumped up skin, hydrated and ready to go out. Actually, I will keep sharing different products that I come across while I'm traveling and while I'm searching for myself, because we all need help. We are all keen about our skin and our clothing, so we cannot follow everything that's coming up. The trend is changing very quickly, the technology is changing, and there is always new technology coming out somewhere around the world, and so I think it's a help for us ladies. There are two very nice latest technology coming up, and please stay with me, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi guys, it's about 2:30 in the morning. I'm about to sleep, but I just remember that I can apply one bag of Foreo night to complete my video. So I have my device which is connected already, and I'm gonna say call it a night and start. I can give you tips about how it works. Are we going to have the red lights, green lights, you know, which part, patience, vibrations? So I have no idea myself either, so we can try together. I connected my device as I showed you previously. Yes, I'm about to start the treatment. Let's put it. I have the red lights and it started again.
Deep breaths and allow yourself to relax as this warming facial massage
It started again with LED lights, which is thermotherapy, anti-sonic.
smoother and more simple.
The vibrations has changed, and still warm though. It's very warm because of the thermotherapy.
Sensations blend with red LED light to boost blood circulation and restore skin elasticity for a more luminous appearance.
Did you hear?
You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed.
Meditate the treatment. Yes. Yeah, Yes, it's all completed. All completed. Don't forget to rinse your device, and then we keep smiling. We keep smiling. Smile.